Alrighty, welcome back. Today is reveal day. Jolene's going to jump in the 48 Ford. She's going to start it up and turn it around. She's going to haul the Jaguar. We're going to take a walk around it and everybody's going to see what it looks like. I'm your man, Bad Chad, and Queen Jolene is going to drive the truck and we're going to turn the camera on her and we are on air. Let's do it. Alright, everybody. We'll see my fat face. So Jolene's going to get the truck going. We got the visor set on there. I just put a couple screws in and set it on there. I'm not sure if I like it yet. We'll see what happens. We'll just keep playing with it. Jolene's going to get the truck going, turn it around. We're going to use it to haul the Jaguar instead of busting my back and busting her back. It's just hard on both of us, so we'll use the truck. Why not?
Ready?
I'm ready as you are.
There's nothing.
No go?
No. It's almost like the key felt like it was on already.
Turn the key on. Push the button. You never pushed the button yet.
Ah.
Aha! Got your clutching, baby?
Yeah. It's doing that thing again.
Huh?
It's doing that thing again.
Let's try it again. See if we get that thing on there. We got a little charger on here at 6 volt. I got a little charging system here going on. We'll make sure we get that on there right. Try it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Try it. Just a second. Just a second. Why don't you pull your choke out?
Okay. Pump it?
Yeah, you can pump it. Why not? Put your choke in a little bit. Oh, you're going good.
Pull the choke in?
Got it all the way out or in a little bit? Got it where it was? Sounds good?
Yeah.
If it starts muffling or starts flooding, that's when you shove it in a little bit, but it should be fine. You're not shoved it all the way in, have you?
Nope.
Got to put that far out?
Yep.
Sounds good?
Yep. All right.
Turn her around, baby.
Okay, just one sec. All right. We didn't talk this over.
What?
We didn't talk this over.
Keep her going, sweetheart. Got her in low range, boys. I don't know, you get much better with a chick in a blue jean shirt and her hair done up, sitting in an old truck. Don't know if you get much better. No, why don't you just shove your choke in just a little tiny bit? Just a little tiny bit. Not a whole bunch now. Just, you want to give me a second to get in there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Man, you're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Huh?
Put it in neutral.
Put her in whatever gear you want to put her in. You're the lady driving. I think it'd just make it much easier for us to hook it on the truck and pull it out. I'm going to steer it out while she pulls the car out. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. If something does, you're going to be the first one to see it.
Go.
No gas.
Oops, you fell off.
Well, that was a poor thing done by me.
You want
to hold camera while I tie it up again?
Yeah. It's a neutral. That's fine.
Well, yeah, if it wasn't a neutral, she'd be going down the field.
Yeah, I know. I'm just letting you know, though.
I'm just kind of wondering why that let go. Ah. I'm hoping that we get her this time. You can more or less just let out the clutch and she should tow herself out.
Okay.
Truck's running good?
Yeah, it is.
Awesome.
That didn't work.
Uh-oh. Just shove your choke in a little bit. There we go, now we're on tow. We have to remember everything's put together with tie straps. So perfect. Good job, sweetheart. Well done.
Ooh, it's hot.
Well done.
Thanks.
Well done. Just hold it up a second. I want to set the hood on there a little better. We pulled the hood off.
Okay.
And like, remember, like what I said, everything is kind of on with tie straps. That's why we're sitting free. But then we take a walk around and see what it looks like. If you're looking at the car, you have to remind yourself that is not lowered down in the back yet. I did not get the fender skirts tied on run there. That's why the tape is on there, just kind of holding that fender skirt on. But everything is on with tie straps right now. And just kind of looking at it outside the very first time, and you're looking at it with me. That thing's badass. The roof is so small that, what can I say? It's very odd looking with the roof so small. This fender skirt on this side, we just set it on there, just vice gripped it on there. It needs work, but basically you get to see it in its full glory. This car was a 4-door with a large roof on it. We've changed the front end. We've done, we made it into a coupe. We made a rumble seat. We've changed the front end in it. I said that. We've taken all the rust off it. We put an 84 LTD station wagon roof on the back, on the top of it. We've cut it in half. We've left the window in the back so it still folds up. There's been quite a bit of work done to this car, and we're just sitting outside. It was a junker. There's not a bunch of money tied up into it, and I like to keep it that way. When the money's down, that's when it makes you very happy, or you can be happy about the project because the money isn't way high. But I really, actually, right now as I'm looking at it, I want to get it down in the back. Everything looks good. Everything looks fantastic. I don't know what to say. Like. This car, I have an idea what I'm going to do for the paint scheme and the roof. I'm not going to give it out right now. I hope to maybe do it on camera for you guys and show everybody how we do it or what we're going to do with it. But you would never know that was a 4-door. We turned it into a coupe, and there she'd be in all her glory. And now is the time for me to just sit back and loathe in what it looks like, because you know, the work has been accomplished. We've got, you know, we did quite a bit of work to it. It was a junker, like I said, sitting right there on the side there. It's fun for me to look at it. Want to get the back down some. I'm thinking, I don't want to tell too much, but I'm thinking, well, I guess I can tell you, why not? I'm thinking that I would paint this car black, and the reason I'd want to paint it black is because of the Phantom Corsair. That was sort of one of my favorite cars. A Phantom Corsair is one of the Heinz family. Back in the early days of the 20s or 30s, he had a Cord and he customized it. He drew it on a napkin and he got someone to make this car for him. And it was just something so unique that no one would ever think of or ever have. It's not, to me, the most beautiful car in the world. It's just what it means. It's just some person's dream and they went for it. And basically, I think this car could be something like that. It's not everybody's most beautiful car. No, it's not. But it is something that that I've dreamt up and I have made. And I really enjoy the thought of that, when someone can take a dream or a thought and make it come true. And for me, that car is a dream and a thought, and I can make it come true. I just have to spend a little more time. Yeah, I think it's absolutely awesome. You would never know it was a four-door. You may not know even what it was if you looked at it. But I know what it was, and the people that watch the show know what it was. It was a Jaguar. I still have a few custom touches I want to do to the front end, and we haven't got the pieces and the parts right now. I do not want to just throw a bunch of money at it and finish it. I want to finish it on due time, when I'm ready, with the pieces that I have in the dooryard to make this car so anybody could make it. You know, that's basically it. There's some MIG wire in that thing. There's some coat hangers. There's some body fill. There's some thought. There's some spare pieces out in the junkyard. Very little money was spent on that car, and I really enjoy it. We have the rumble seat in the back. We have the window that flips up in the back. The doors are taller than normal, which makes the window smaller. We made our own dash. We have a newer Jaguar front end in it. I must say the Jaguar front end in this car fits absolutely awesome. The rear end still has to come down, or maybe not, I'm not sure. Maybe not. I'm just thinking all kinds of things right now. I'm very happy. Very happy. Very happy. So we got a rumble seat back here. We got the back window that flips up. I got a set of bucket seats out of the junkyard over there that work perfectly. They're out of the Pinto. Hey, you know, wow, that's quite a hot rod. That's cool. Jolene did an amazing job towing it out with the truck. The truck's running good. Very happy right at this present moment. Very happy. Very happy. The front end's lined up good. Very happy. Everything's on with a zip tie. It's just sitting together. Yeah, very happy. I got to thank Aiden for helping me. I got to thank Jolene for putting up with me. Thinking like, what are you going to pull that damn car in for? Well, I'm very happy right at the present moment. I can see that all painted. I can see it with the wheels on it. I can see it. I can visualize it. And it doesn't take much. We have the roof sitting over there. There's a small bum of a A100, Austin A100 sitting over there, and we have the roof sitting over there. I was going to sandblast it and make something else out of it, but we're going to leave that for now. Just kind of got ahead of myself. But I did what I said I was going to do, is I was going to get that car into primer, and I have got it in primer. And we have a race car to get ready for Pine Tree Jamboree. We have a race car to get ready. I'm hoping to invite Jimbo over. Jimbo's very handy at painting cars with a brush, and he explained it to me, and I'm hoping to get Jimbo over, and maybe I can get him to put a paint job on the car. You know, if I can talk him into it, get him to put a paint job on the car with a brush. And we want to put the car on back of the Ford, and we're sort of going to, I'm not sure if we're going to make them go together or what's going on. I tried to talk to Jolene, maybe we can paint the race car red. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, let's take a walk in front of the 48 Ford. Got the visor on, got it on with some screws, so it's on there now. Not sure if I'm going to leave it on there. I do not know, but it's not bad. It's probably a little too shiny for the truck, but I like to leave it on there. just so I can keep looking at it to see whether I like it or not, basically, you know, just whether I like it or not. And it'll take some time. I got some more chrome inside the garage. We have some pieces that a friend dropped over from Derek Woods. Truck driver had bought some stuff for me, a couple of naked ladies, arm poles, and there's a goddess hood ornament that I think that we might put on the truck after a while. I'm not sure, but it's fun to play because that visor doesn't cost us much of anything, but it's fun to play, to put it on, see if you like it or not. And that's what we do. The car looks good from back here. It's got some attitude, hasn't it, sweetheart?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? All right. So we're going to end up moving the Jaguar around. We just got it zip tied together right now. Got some primer on it. It's a start. It's basically what it is. It's a start. It's got a front end in it. It's got the motor mounts in it. It steers. The body shape is pretty well there, but it does need a lot more work. That's for sure. It needs a lot more work. But I'm happy to make something out of nothing, because it would have not been restored. No one would have restored the car. Probably no one would have done anything with the car. It was a 4-door with a bunch of rust on it that was going nowhere, and we turned it into something, you know, just a little bit of creativity. And I'm very happy the way it looks. Very happy. We got the 48 Ford, pulls it out. I'm just dreaming today, boys. I'm having a blast. Alrighty, have a good one, everybody. I got to thank Jolene for doing a great job pulling it out with the truck. It's just too hard on me trying to pull a car by myself while Jolene's taping. So why not use the truck? Jolene got on film for a little bit. Nothing better than a good-looking woman in a jean shirt, and that's Jolene, my sweet Jolene. And we're basically going to have to get on that race car and get things done. We're going to Ontario, Thunder City Speedway. We're going to be there Friday. Hope everybody comes out and talks to us, has a little bit of fun. We're going to be there with bells on. Hope you like the car, everybody. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.